India manufacturing, I have seen in the last few years, is growing at a very rapid pace. India has major advantages, very good technical people and training, and also the language is the international language and it's a free democratic country. I am Emil Somekh, CEO of SolidCAM.
I am Anuj Bhandari, Country Manager for SolidCAM India.
SolidCAM has been active in India since 2008, and SolidCAM India has grown now to 93 staff, selling SolidCAM software to all CNC manufacturers, and we plan to grow even more to make more and more customers productive and profitable.
SolidCAM is a digital platform for manufacturing. We provide the product for starting to design a product, to do the manufacturing on a machine, making programs not on simple 3-axis machine. We have the strength to machine any turning, turnmill, milturn, VTL, Swiss type, 5-axis machine, turnmills, HMCs, you name the machine, we are present. So we have a product called SolidShop, where it is connected to our system and we can monitor the productivity of each and every machine. We have experts, people coming from aerospace in our team, in medical implants, in die and mold, in press tool, so you name the vertical, we have people.
Today I'm very happy to be part of this Aarohan event with Phillips Machine Tools. We are happy to say that we have done live cutting on 6 different machines here, and we have used the latest technology, iMachining technology, which will help the customers to reduce cycle time up to 70%. The technology comes with the technology wizard, which will give you all the cutting parameters automatically to increase productivity and reduce cycle time up to 70%.